Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is A7912. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. The front grille, you have the chrome grille and bumper. Alloy wheels, those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. You have a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side. You have the Z71 off-road package on here. Factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed now. Spray-in Chevy bed liner keeps the bed very safe. And then you have the soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control, and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.